One of the more common calls I get goes something like this. I'm an officer and I'm unhappy with something going on at my job. My boss is being a jerk and I think I'm experiencing a hostile work environment. The thing is, this phrase, hostile work environment, has a specific meaning in the law. Today's topic is hostile work environments as it relates to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC, and claims under that statute. My name is Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. I hear often that when officers feel that their boss is terrible or mean or unfriendly, that there is a hostile work environment. Well, this may mean that you're dealing with a bad supervisor. Hostile work environment claims as it relates to the EEOC have specific requirements. So I'll describe the legal elements to an EEOC claim, the legal definition of a protected class, and why hostile work environment claims are much more limited than what's commonly discussed. Keep in mind that this is a basic summary. EEO topics are almost always extremely complicated, and this is not legal advice. So if you have additional questions, ask for help. For the purposes of EEOC claims, a hostile work environment exists when a supervisor or coworker's actions, communications, or behaviors seriously alter the conditions, terms, or reasonable expectations for your work environment. Additionally, these actions must be discriminatory in nature as defined by law. Now that you know what hostile work environments are, and they only exist if they're discriminatory, let's talk about what makes up a protected class. Specifically, the law only prevents discrimination, treating people differently, because the person is targeted as a member of a protected class. Protected classes include age, religion, disability, and race. Some local governments have added other protected classes like sexual orientation or gender identity. Additionally, employers can't retaliate against employees for reporting unlawful discrimination. On the other hand, if an employee is treated poorly, not based upon being part of a protected class, but based upon work performance, laziness, or failure to show up to work, there may not be a valid claim for a hostile work environment. Now that you know that hostile work environment claims are limited to instances of discrimination based upon a protected class, let's talk about other limits. Generally speaking, in order for a hostile work environment to exist, the actions must be significant and pervasive, lasting over a period of time. Additionally, the actions must be severe and must significantly disrupt the employee's work or career progress. Please note, hostile work environment claims are only one specific form of EEOC complaint. So if you're facing discrimination because you're a member of a protected class, please reach out for help. Discrimination issues like hostile work environment claims can be complicated, and this video only provides a basic summary of just some of the issues related to just one type of claim. Your agency could have other policies that may apply, but if it's not, discrimination based upon membership in a protected class probably doesn't meet the definition of a hostile work environment claim. If you have questions, lawyers like me and organizations like ASCOPS are here to help. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and please turn on notifications. All of these things really help the channel reach more people. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.